Hi everyone!
Hi.
So we're gonna have a YouTube shop, and these are the squishies that are Disney licensed. So yeah. So firstly we have Chubby Face Buns. So we have this Stitch one, and we have two, and they don't come in the packaging, so they'll be cheaper, and they may tear at the ears because it's quite sensitive and stuff.
Sensitive?
And this one has a scab-ish thing, but they're licensed. And yeah. So they're $5, and this one's really squishy. So $5 each, and they include shipping fees. Yeah, and then we have the Mickey Mouse ones, and they come in this really cute soft Brit mascot packaging, and they are licensed. So this is the Mickey Mouse one, and this is $6, right? And we have two of those. Yeah. Then we have chip. Yeah, we have chip, and they are also in the packaging. They're really cute, and they are licensed. So we have two of those. Wait, no, three. So all of the Chubby Face Buns in packagings are $6, but the Stitch ones are $5. So yeah. Then we have two jumbo Disney squishies. So firstly we have this one. It's chip and it's huge, like 10 cm. And if you want to see the size comparison to the mini one, it's like so cute. But this one's a bit fading. I mean, like smudging here at the eye, but it's okay. And it's Disney licensed, and it doesn't have any defects, I think. It has this eye pin. So yeah, and this is $6. Then lastly we have Chip. Wait, no, Dale. Yeah, Dale. It's licensed. So this is $6. So $6. All the ones in the packaging $6, and Stitch is $5. So yeah, and we will not be doing any meetups. So we only accept concealed cash, PayPal, and bank transfers. So yeah, and please PM to buy, and don't tell us to PM you because that's really troublesome. So yeah, bye.